Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to have a quick tutorial on basically getting started with HTML and CSS and basically how to use it and use it for your websites. So to get started with, let's just open up your notepad, whatever your editor is to code, and I use Notepad++. Basic code editor, has a lot of good features, and yeah. So the first thing I do is just to remember, I save my document before I even start whatever I'm going to save it as. This one I'm going to save as test, I guess, for example. And you can see what I did. I saved type as hyper text markup language, is HTML, and that's the file type we're using for the page. You always have to save that extension or your file won't be noticed as HTML and your code won't be noticed, So let's start, and I hate when my computer does that. I don't know why. But anyways, bam. Okay, let's get started now. So the first thing I do is I have a bare bones file, and you might want to do this too. I don't think I have it on this computer, sadly. But yeah, I have a bare bones file. I usually just have all my files. I have them already set up, so I have my docket type and all the starter file set up. But just to get started, just type HTML, whatever. HTML, because we're gonna code the whole page as HTML, so might as well just put HTML right there. Next thing we're gonna do is make our CSS file. Okay, and I like to have my CSS file on another page, because it's easier to code all your CSS like that rather than have it on the same page. I like to code it external link. So here we go. Let's find the CSS file, CSS files, and we'll name it test. I don't even have to do the dot, but test.css. Bam. Before you even start doing anything, just do this. Link. This is a very important code. Probably the most important for linking your CSS. So link rel. Type that in. You can type text .css and then href. I'm sure you are all familiar with the href code. This basically is the link. It just links your documents basically. Then end the statement like that. Bam. So for href, we're going to link our other test.css file right here, like this. Type test.css. And since they're all in the same directory, it knows that test.css is this file. Then style sheet. Okay, now we're ready to go. We're already saved that. Don't forget to save them. And this one doesn't have anything, so it doesn't need to be saved. Okay, and let's just put in the easy code like this. There's no body code, so maybe I should include that. Alright, body. And this is the main code. You just put this before you put all your content really in the body codes. It's easy. Match. And you just put body and say background color equals red. And you save that. Okay. And then you run it in Firefox or whatever your browser is, and bam. And your body color is red. And that's how you really link your style sheets together. The simple code right here, and then you just put your anything in here. You could put code like this. Let's make our paragraphs. Use the P code. Make our paragraphs all. Let's make the text in our paragraphs red. Or no, let's not make it red because background's red. Let's make it blue. Okay. Okay, you save this. Then you just put this code in. Okay. My fault. Okay, save that. Run it again. And look, as you can see up here, the paragraphs are blue. So that's just basically how to link your style sheets together with HTML, CSS. Very simple, very basic. It can get harder, but that's the easiest. That's the way how to link it. And in my next tutorial, I'll be showing you a little bit about PHP and MySQL. So thank you very much, and don't leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.